They will build. They will build. And that's very disturbing. Very much disturbing than Ferry Cross or yung mas malayo. Kasi napakalapit na ito eh. We know that China has encroached on our EEZ, yung 200-mile limit natin. Lumampas sila. They have occupied 3 islands there, plus they are trying to get Scarborough. So, to us, that is unacceptable. That could be their strategy to parang counter yan sa mga any superpower that will encroach on the South China Sea because they believe that South China Sea is their parang lake nila yan. You know, nandyan naman sila sa lugar natin eh. In fact, they have encroached. Atin naman yun. We have been occupying Pag-asa for the longest time eh. Nauna pa tayo sa kanila dyan eh. I don't think it will be provocative. Alam naman nila punta tayo doon to look at our troops.